Got another train coming. Got a quintuple train meet. Yes, I am. I have been by myself for more than 2.5 hours, or almost 3 hours now. This will probably be the last train. This southbound will probably be the last train. This southbound will probably be the last train I'm gonna catch, and I'm gonna probably head up out of here. Probably head on home and find something to eat. I didn't bring my medicine. I forgot to bring my medicine with me. It's the one thing I forgot. I think it's a manifest. Find out when it gets here. Find out what it is when it gets here. I'll find out when it gets here. My feet are hurting, are starting to hurt. Maybe if I had time, I'd probably get a drink. Keep an eye out for that train. Yeah. Excuse me. Nah. Come on. Come on, train. I don't need to look over and over and over like I've been doing. Like I have been doing is for It's for the last. It's for the last 3 trains. It's from the last 3 trains I've been doing. It's coming. It's just. Yes, I will, Amanda, but I'm kind of busy. I'm a little busy right now. I am waiting carefully. I'm just looking, but it's kind of pushing my patience. This 5th train is just pushing my patience to the last straw now. It's pushing my patience to the last straw. Pushing my patience to the final straw. To the final straw now. I did not know that was going to be a yellow over green. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. I did not bring my medicine with me. I wish I could go back. I should have went back. Should have went back just before I caught the intermodal auto rack train to go get my medicine. To go get my medications. To go get my medication, to go get my nighttime medications. I should have brought them with me in case if I was going to stay out late. In case if I was going to stay 3 hours. Stay out here for 3 hours. Stay out here for 3 hours with waiting on 5 trains. Waiting on an extra train. An extra train. An extra 2 trains or something. Another train. Like 1 or 2 more trains at least. 2 or 3. I should have hid my chair somewhere, but should have took it back to the house. That would have took me another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes to get back. Now, 10 minutes to get back here, and another 5 minutes to get back to the house to get my medicine. An extra 5-10 minutes to get my medicine. Another 10 minutes walking back is walking all the way back here. That's an extra 20 minutes I'm going to waste. Then I would have missed this train. I would have probably missed this train by now. I would have missed this train. Oh, there it is. Finally. There it is. Finally. Finally. It's finally coming. Finally. Finally. Thank you. Oh. Ugh. C44-9 Duo, rebuild duo. Holy cold train. There's got to be a back engine somewhere. Nope. This was a 2x0 southbound. This was a 2x0 southbound empty coal train, CN U700, and the CN Champaign Chicago sub with an AC44C6M EX BNSF C44-9 rebuild duo leading 3408, 3370. Oh, that Nathan K3 scared me to death. Scared me to death. It's that Nathan K3 train horn that scared me to death. Heard the GE bell steal the GE bellary GEE bell ringing. The Nathan K3 train horn scared me to death. The CN U700 starts out in Gary, Indiana, heads west and then south is to Baton Rouge, Louisiana, where it terminates on Saturday, June 28th, 2025. That's a quintuple train meet. Quintuple train meet. 5 trains in a row. 5. That is 5 trains I caught. 5. The first train was the northbound Amtrak P392. Then the southbound intermodal train CNZ194. The northbound grain train CNG890 or G891. Then the southbound intermodal all-right train CNE271 M371. Then the southbound empty coal train CNU 700. Quintuple train meet, everyone. Let me know what you think in the comments down below about it. That's gonna do it. That's probably gonna do it for the quintuple train meet. 5 train meets, 5 trains at once. The quintuple train meet. That's probably gonna be it for right now. I will see you all in the next video. Y'all take care of yourselves. I will see you folks in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Y'all take care of yourselves. I will see you folks in the next video. Bye. I will see you all next time. Goodbye for now. Goodbye. This is Brandon, the Pink Gold Peach fan, saying goodbye for now. Goodbye. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye, everyone. I will see you next time, everyone. Goodbye.